brother on my, I'm so proud of you, baby, and I wish you nothing but the best. And just remember, like I said before, always put your God first, and don't forget your mom and dad whenever you get up there. And maybe me too. You might see me too, kitty fish. Yeah. I'm not young no more, I used to dance good, but now, I got 2 kids, so it's not gonna be the same. But this dance, I picked this song because it's my brother's favorite song. So I just practiced today too, so don't mind whatever, I do. It's because, I'm so happy and I'm just so proud of my brother. And I'm dancing because I'm supporting him and show the love and give for my brother.
Kira kira dewa ni kapore enau ora te kai ni menare ni mayana kira kira dewa ni kapore Quiero ver a papá que te